Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted a Starline i96 on a Renault Trafic 2015. Customer wanted something a bit more snazzy. In other words, he wanted to go fishing, leave everything in the vehicle and use a Bluetooth waterproof tag. So obviously when he walks away, it locks, and when he arrives, it unlocks. In addition to that, he wanted to immobilise the vehicle. So this is how it works. So as you know, the Starline i96 will either disarm through a push sequence or through a tag. So I'm going to show you how it works on a tag. So basically, ignition on, receive your melody, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, you can also disarm it through a push sequence procedure. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the battery out of the tag and show you that also. So now I've taken the battery out of the tag. So the battery's out of the tag now. I'm going to show you the disarm through push sequence procedure. So ignition on. Go through your push sequence. We've done something very basic. So 1, 2, 3. Receive your melody. There you go. And cycle the ignition off and on this time. And start your vehicle. If you don't do that, obviously the vehicle won't start. Now I'm going to show you a thing called hands-free mode, where basically I'm going to take the battery out of the tag. You're actually going to hear it lock and unlock. So basically he wants to leave everything in the vehicle, lock it as he walks away, unlock it as he arrives. So the battery's in the tag. Obviously you can hear it unlocked. I'm now going to take the battery out of the tag and you can hear it lock. Battery's out the tag. There you go, it's locked. Sorry, let me take the key out of the ignition because it's obviously thrown an unlock command. So let's try again. So battery's in the tag. It's thrown an unlock command as you saw. Take the battery out of the tag. It's going to lock. There you go. It's locked and the factory fit alarm has come on. So now I'm going to put the battery back in the tag. You're going to see it unlock. Battery's back in the tag. There you go, it's unlocked. Really clever, really straightforward. What I'm going to show you now, sorry, the battery's not actually fully in, that's why it's doing that. So what I'm going to show you now is I'm going to show you how to actually change the code on this. Right, so now if you want to change the code, obviously you can either disarm it in two ways before you can get into the learn procedure. You can either do it by tag or by button. So I'm actually going to do it by tag. So I'm going to put the key in the ignition, turn it on, it's going to disarm. There you go. So now we're going to hit this button here 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off, key on. 5 bleeps. So now I'm going to change it to this button here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Wait for a melody. And again. 1, 2, 3. Receive a melody. There you go, code is now learned. I'm going to take the battery out of the tag now. I'm going to try the new code. Battery's out the tag now. Let's try. So now we've learnt the new code and I'm going to show you how to disarm it. So when you're using the push sequence override on this, it's slightly different. So basically, ignition on, insert your new code, receive your melody, cycle off, and back on and start. There you go. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, obviously you're going to see it immobilised now. So I'm going to leave it for about 10 seconds. I'm going to crank out and try and start it. Obviously battery's out the tag. So let's have a go. See, vehicle won't start. See? Okay, so we're going to put the battery back in the tag. We'll use the tag from now on. So battery's now in the tag, as you can see. Green light's on. So ignition on. Receive your melody. Start your van. Really clever, really straightforward. Also on this particular one, you can put it on an app, on a phone called Starline Key, and it will work exactly the same as a tag. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye-bye.